Do you dream of earning more than 10 lakhs per month right from India without needing a huge office or massive capital? Yes, it's possible. Thousands of small exporters across India are already doing it. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you too can start your export journey step by step, from registering your business, choosing the right products, finding buyers worldwide in order to scale up your income. Everything you need to know to build a global export business is right here. So, if you are serious about earning big through export, stay with me till the end. Welcome to Dream, Export and Grow with Saran Balachandran. This channel is built for aspiring exporters and entrepreneurs who want to take Indian products to the world and create massive income streams. Here, you'll learn proven strategies, top export products, and practical steps that can help you scale your export business to 10 lakhs and beyond per month. My name is Saran Balachandran, founder of Primero Enterprises. I started with no office, no big investment, just one dream: to sell Indian products worldwide. Today, I have exported products like Indian spices, cashews, handicrafts, eco-friendly products, and industrial goods. And I want to help you start your journey too. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's dive in. To start exporting and aim for 10 lakhs plus per month, you must set your foundation right. And for that, first step is register your business. It may be proprietorship, LLP, or private limited. After that, apply for IEC code, which is also known as Import-Export code, which is your passport to your exports. After that, open a current account to receive international payment. This is your starting line. To reach 10 lakhs plus per month, your product choice matters the most. Here are 7 powerful export categories. First one is agricultural products like garlic, onions, rice, spices, cashew nuts, etc. Second one is eco-friendly products like bamboo toothbrushes, neem combs, jute bags, areca leaf plates, etc. Third one is handicrafts and art like Tanjavur paintings, wooden, brass and marble crafts. Fourth one is lifestyle and personal care like herbal cosmetics, Ayurvedic products, essential oils, etc. Fifth one is textile and fashion, saris, cotton garments, printed t-shirts, etc. Sixth one is industrial and metal products like aluminium, steel furniture, engineering goods, machine and its spare parts, etc. And other hot selling items like leather goods, toys, packaged snacks, etc. is also a good choice. Always keep in mind, start small, focus on 1 or 2 products that are easy to source in your city. To make 10 lakhs per month, you need consistent buyers. You can find them here at B2B portals like Alibaba, Trade India or IndiaMart. You can connect with them using social media like LinkedIn, Instagram or WhatsApp Business. You can also contact export promotion councils and you can participate in trade fairs, which is perfect for real connections. Remember, buyer trust means repeat orders, which in turn means monthly income growth. Don't worry about shipping. Freight forwarders and agents handle customs and transports. Start with courier shipments with DHL, FedEx or India Post. Then move to LCL shipments, which is less than container load shipments. And finally, full container loads. Scale step by step. Less risk, more growth. To earn lakhs safely, you should always protect your payments. Always prefer advance payments or letter of credit or secure bank transfer. Avoid unknown online transfers. Verify buyers before shipping. One safe deal is better than 10 risky deals. To hit the 10 lakhs plus per month milestone, you should always reinvest profits into packaging, branding, and product quality. Expand into multiple products. Focus on long-term buyer relationships. Consistency is the secret. Not one big order, but repeat orders month after month. Every big exporter once started small. You may face rejection, delays, or confusion in the beginning, but with patience, persistence, and knowledge, your export business can grow into a 10 lakhs plus monthly income stream. Success doesn't come overnight, but it definitely comes with action. So now you know how to start an export business in India and scale it to 10 lakhs plus per month. In my upcoming videos, I'll explain each step in detail, from IEC registration to finding your first buyer. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and comment below which product you would love to export first. You have been watching Dream, Export and Grow with Saran Balachandran. Success doesn't start with money, it starts with knowledge and action. Let's dream big, export smart, and grow stronger. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.